Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is another vlog of Swedish restaurant experience at IKEA on a weekend. Well, if you haven't watched the IKEA Complete Tour Part 1, please do watch it. I'll leave the link to the video in the description below. You can also access it in the iCard above at the end of the video. Since it was a weekend, the crowd was more and we got into the queue to pick up our food items. IKEA Bangalore offers variety of meals including kids meal options, vegetarian, non-vegetarian and Indian specials. Of course, you can enjoy special Swedish delicacies along with the Indian dishes here. As a part of IKEA's snack menu, cinnamon bun, apple turnover, French heart, croissants, pastries and pizzas along with our very own Indian samosas are available. Dessert options are available too. We tried soft serve for 20 rupees and it was good. So basically food lovers can enjoy the delicacies here. Once you pick up all the items, head towards the billing counter. After billing, just find a place to settle down to enjoy your meal. We took meatballs for the main course. Along with it, we took chicken nuggets, chocolate cake and cold pressed beverages. However, the food options are limited, but it is really delicious. Cheesecakes and vegetable wraps are available too. Overall, the food experience was good. For breakfast, you can find poha, upma and English breakfast as well. Restaurant has about 1,000 seating capacity, so need not worry about the crowd if it is more over the weekend. Also, coffee, tea and iced tea options are available with unlimited refills. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Also check out the IKEA Complete Tour Part 1 video on my channel. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day.